Here we come to the elevator at Creek Hill in Raleigh, North Carolina. And look what kind of ThyssenKrupp elevator this is. My very first. Oh my gosh, look at that braille. Look at that braille. It's like literally sitting on top of the call station. That's funny. Look at that. Oh, this is hilarious. But anyways, this is my very first ThyssenKrupp Studio elevator in real life. I'm sure you guys seen this in my animated videos I used to do a long time ago, but first we saw a ThyssenKrupp so-called 1515, and now a ThyssenKrupp Studio. That's right, here we go. It's a ThyssenKrupp Studio elevator. Looks like it's not level right. Some of these buttons are replaced, but these are still original. Wow, this is awesome. All right, let's take a ride. Here we go. Also ring the bell. Oh, this call station is original. Look at that. The original call button. And it pushes, and it barely goes in too. We got Alex joining in today. Back down to 1 and there. The cab kind of reminds me of a Schindler 3300. As you can see, most of these buttons are replaced except for these. That is definitely a replaced button. There goes Alex. Review these fixtures. My very first ThyssenKrupp Studio. I'm going to watch it close. All right, there it goes. And that's it.